Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Toshiba response codes. These codes are crucial for diagnosing and resolving issues with your Toshiba multifunction device or printer. We will cover how to access these important diagnostic messages, understand what they mean, and use them to troubleshoot common problems. By the end, you will be better equipped to maintain your equipment efficiently. Toshiba response codes, also known as error or service codes, are vital diagnostic messages. They are alphanumeric sequences that indicate the precise nature of a problem within your device. For instance, a code might signal a paper jam in a specific tray, a fuser unit issue, or a communication error. Knowing these codes helps you quickly identify the root cause, saving time and effort in troubleshooting. Retrieving Toshiba response codes is often straightforward. For many eStudio models, you can access these codes by simultaneously pressing the 8 key and the clear/stop button on the control panel. The code will typically appear on the LCD screen. Always refer to your specific model's service manual for exact instructions, as methods can vary slightly. Some advanced devices also feature dedicated diagnostic modes for deeper analysis. Once you have a response code, the next step is interpretation. Consult your Toshiba service manual or an online database to find the code's meaning and recommended troubleshooting steps. For example, a C411 code might indicate a fuser unit thermistor issue. Many non-fuser errors can be reset by simply powering the machine off and then back on. If the problem persists after following the suggested actions, it is best to contact a qualified service technician for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.